competition, competition, competition. That's all we all think about. A book is a book is a book. A documentary is a documentary. A film is a film, and there is no comparison. I was just telling someone we are the only country which even compares actors acting. Nobody ever tells me Brad Pitt is better than Tom Cruise, but we talk about actors, we talk about films, comparisons, and now look at you. Now you start talking about documentaries and books also. So there's no competition. I think Munni is a wonderful lady. I think Anu even thanks her. I just read the beginning of her acknowledgements, and there are two people who think for films more than Shah Rukh Khan, I think. They love films. They love the world that cinema has created around them. And it just so happens they are in the time when I've been doing well or have been prominent in this field. And they've taken me as a focal point or a starting point to talk about cinema in India. And actually, if you really ask me, I am also that. All this legendary status, XYZ, I think is the fact that I am one of the leading people in the film industry in the last 5-7 years. And what I also lead is Indian films to the world, not myself. It's not about self-proclaimed that I'm going to be doing this or this book is wonderful on me. And I think we should respect that documentary as a documentary on films. This book, which is amazingly well researched, I hear, and I've read a few chapters now, and I think it's a wonderful take on Indian films. I just happen to be the cover boy, and I think Anu's been very sweet, so we should not compare it to anything.
Shah Rukh, that was a very nice thing that you raised. That competition is not healthy, and that's very nice.
Persona, more than perhaps some other actors. I'm sure all the actors and actresses and film people are very lovable in their personal lives, but I think because of the kind of work I've been involved with, and I truly honestly say that a lot of fun, and you should not do bad roles. But I do try to tell a story कि मैं इस वक्त में इंडियन सिनेमा के अंदर एक हिस्सा बनकर काम कर रहा हूँ, और आई थिंक इसकी अपील बहुत ज़्यादा है. इसलिए शायद हम अभी भी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के सारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीज़ के अंदर सारी